All right, empty table. Some things already prepared. Some beef, and then this onions, red peppers. I kind of want to move this actually. This is kind of in the way of the handle. No, I digress. We have stuff I had already prepared earlier. I chopped up a couple bell peppers, a green one and a red one, and then some white onion. I can actually smell that through the bag. All right, let's actually open this. This beef is already marinated. Ooh, cornstarch already and everything. I feel like the thing I want to add to this is maybe more white pepper, but it's probably not needed, to be honest. So yeah, we're gonna make sure that this gets cooked first. So let's get a bowl to put this on later. All right, we have a nice stainless steel fry pan here. Probably just get started with some oil and then throw that in there and then start making stuff. I do need some utensils first. Gotta get my wooden set. Alright, this is already marinated, but I didn't have any pepper at the time, so didn't have any pepper in there. I think this was soy sauce mainly, and some other things I kind of forgot. But we're gonna take about this much, I think, and then just add some white pepper. I actually don't have any black pepper, which is kind of unfortunate here. Just gonna add a bit of that. Hope it's not hope it doesn't get too salty from that. Got the single-use glove on because I do not want to do this with my bare hands. Yeah, honestly, this is mostly good, so take that here. Just a low heat for now. Let's start with our oil. I have some olive oil here. It's like a medium sort of heat. I might use this next time to marinate. This seems pretty good. Alright, where did I put my... There it is. Alright, I honestly don't know if I put too much oil in this thing or not. I actually want to prepare the other stuff while that heats up. I'm going to use half of this. Did I use up a half there? Sort of. Looks like mostly good, and then add a bit of our onions as well. These are white onions. I'm not sure which onion color I should have gotten, to be honest. White just seemed good, but maybe I should have gotten the red ones. Not too sure, to be honest. Good to get this little wash. Right, Alright, so we're gonna have this prepared on the side. Let's begin to pop a bit. Honestly, I think I just used too much oil. Let's set this to medium and give it a whirl. Let's just pour it all on. I'm actually gonna set this to a lower heat. So we're just trying to flip this slowly, trying to get all the red pieces to touch the pot. I have it set to slightly above low heat, but I want to make sure that it's like good for like the first round, but I don't want to overcook this either. So far this seems pretty good, smells pretty good. Gonna burn some more of that. Yeah, I'm just trying to keep it moving. No one just like stay in one spot. There's still some red in some places. I'm just trying to get rid of that. Alright, it's like kind of good. I think I'm gonna put this back in later, so because I want to cook some of the other stuff. So I'm gonna actually put this in here for now. For that, I'm going to add a tiny bit more oil again. Very tiny bit. I think that's good enough. Cool, and then let's get our... Whoa, whoa, whoa. What are you doing? Man, what are you doing? I'll put this back on the side. You know that's my pack of ramen, right? Are you guilty? You're guilty. You're guilty. Okay. Back to this. So, some green peppers, some red peppers, and then some onions. I feel like I could have used more peppers. Let's get like a few more. Just try. Oh, there's definitely some splatter. So I think the onions cook the... Actually, I don't know what cooks the fastest, I'll be honest here. I think something I have to learn is if I could just basically toss this in all at once, or if I should separate them. But I know the bell peppers are kind of quick. Seems good. I think I want to add a bit of soy sauce to this. Oh, I gotta actually open this. I guess you kinda can't go wrong with soy sauce. Oh, that smells good. I think if I had some noodles, like pre-cooked, it would be really nice to just toss it in here too. Like it would be super nice. I kind of think that's good enough. I honestly don't really know. I'm trying to poke it with the wooden spatula. I don't know, still seems kind of hard, to be honest. But maybe it's time to reintroduce the beef? Who knows? I'm still kind of learning this, so we'll see how this goes. All right, get that in there. And I'm really trying my best to mix everything up here, so. This is already smelling pretty good. It's definitely different than just throwing everything to like a air fryer or like a pot. I'm actually quite a fan of this. I feel like the only downside is just you really gotta hand wash all the stuff here. Although I hear that this was a hexa something, hexaclad. Hexclad. Got it from Costco, but it's really nice non-stick frying pan. Frying pan slash pot thing. It's at lower heat. Yeah, I honestly kind of think this is like ready. And if not, I'll just learn from, or for next time. Yeah, pretty good, I think. Certainly looking pretty good. I might just take a picture of this. Can't get that phone in there. Try to get the shadow out here. I feel like I could have taken a better photo. It's whatever. Oh yeah, it definitely feels good enough. I'm gonna turn up the heat now. Cool, and I feel like this is kind of ready to be served. You want some? What? You like the smell? Yeah? No? What's your opinion, Navi? What do you think? See if I can take a better picture. Better plate. I can turn up the heat now. All right. I might just serve this here. Navi, what are you doing? Hey, get off. No. You already had food. You already had food, baby. Yeah, meow, meow, meow. What are you doing? Can you please stop crushing my noodles? Mm-hmm. There you go. Boop, boop. Yeah, I was kind of just baking this today, but I think next time I'm gonna add some rice to this. I think some rice would make this a lot better. This is literally just like a single dish. Yeah, I can do it tomorrow or something. Or I guess maybe in the next video. Although I don't know, the next video might be a driving video instead, unless I just feel like cooking. But yeah, that's it. I'm gonna try this out, and then hopefully it's good. So that just might be it for this one. This is just what, bell peppers with beef and onions. It's like pretty simple, but it's kind of just me trying to use the frying pan more. Overall, I think it kind of looks good, honestly. All right, until next time. Navi, say bye. Okay, she says bye.